Great decisions are not based on guesswork. They are built on data, structure, and the power of a quantitative analysis framework. Imagine numbers and charts coming together, forming a digital network that reveals hidden patterns and opportunities. A quantitative analysis framework helps organizations transform complex information into meaningful insights. Through systematic measurement, modeling, and evaluation, this approach turns overwhelming data streams into clear, actionable knowledge. It is the backbone of informed decision-making, ensuring every step is grounded in evidence. Developing an effective framework begins with defining clear objectives. Next, organizations select key metrics that matter most, collect relevant data, and analyze patterns within that information. By creating robust models, they generate insights that support smarter, more strategic decisions. Each stage builds on the last, connecting goals to results. From shaping business strategy to guiding financial planning and advancing research, quantitative analysis provides clarity. It turns raw numbers into actionable solutions, illustrated by growth charts, financial graphs, and research analytics. The result is a rising trajectory of success, powered by data-driven insights. A strong quantitative analysis framework creates confidence, improves accuracy, and empowers leaders to make decisions backed by evidence. It is the key to unlocking smarter outcomes in any organization.